Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this simple and beautifully looking cut work pattern which we can try with this technique so that it will make your work easy to do. So let's quickly start with this technique. We need to give the markings of square shape like this on the sleeve, and for this designing I'd be using gold color 3D glitter cone. To fill in this square shape, mark the small circles like this. This is to create the honeycomb pattern. This size is absolutely as per your requirement. Here I am marking it very small. So like this, without any gaps, we have to mark the circle shape. This design you can also try on already stitched blouses. Like remove the stitches and mark the shape which I have shown. Not only the diamond or the square shape, you can try with the heart shape or flower shape, whatever you like you can try it. So the filling will be done with this honeycomb pattern. Gold work will really emphasize the richness in any pattern. Trying with the pinch of an gold work will really gives an elegant look. So that is why here I'd be using the gold glitter 3D cone. But here you can get so many colors like copper, bronze, silver. These cones are easily available in the stationery or else in fancy or the tailoring material shops, or else you can also find with the links provided in the description box. This type of patches you can also try on your plain sarees, like randomly you can create it so that you will get unique nice designer pattern. Now I'll be giving an outline towards the outside of this square shape, which is now looking like the diamond. Here I'll be making the thick or the broader lines to highlight the border shape. And this will take nearly 1 hour to dry. And once dried, this is how it looks. You can see here the glitter with the gold work. Really it's looking awesome. Now I'm going to show you the cut work pattern. For that I'll be using agabati or the dhoop stick because the holes are very small. You can also try this with the shouldering iron or using the mosquito coil to burn in this centers of the circles. Like this we have to burn it. Try this technique. You can create just like that. It will not take much time of yours and you can save your money with this technique. For this designing only one cone is enough for this sleeves designing. You can also design this on your plain suits on the sleeves completely like this. So slowly, little by little, without harming your hands or fingers, just burn it like this to get the texture of honeycomb. And once the design is done, we have to use this brush so that the smoke and the black ash which was spread on this design will go off and you'll get the similar pattern like this. And I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you enjoyed really watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and